Solve the inequality. Negative 3 times x is less than or equal to 15. So since this is a multiplication situation, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. So negative 3 times x and then divided by negative 3, those cancel. X is less than or equal to negative 5. Now I want to take a look at this situation and make sure that an answer works here. So it should be that you can put an integer or any number into this inequality and then put it in this answer inequality and you should get the same result. So let me try 1. That's an easy one to put in there. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, which is less than or equal to 15. So negative 3 less than or equal to 15. So 1 works in this top inequality. Let's try the bottom inequality. 1 less than or equal to negative 5. Well, the problem is 1 is not less than or equal to negative 5. 1 is greater than negative 5. So there's a problem here with this little process. And the problem is that when you switch from positive to negative by multiplying or dividing, you're also switching the inequality sign. So when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you don't just bring this inequality sign down, you're reversing everything, which means you are reversing the inequality. So it should be x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Now let me see if that works. If we put in a 1, 1 is greater than or equal to negative 5. So this one is actually your answer, which is A. Now let me show you using the algebra chips. Okay, so we're going to have negative 3x, so I'm going to have to flip 3 of these x's. And it's less than or equal to, so I have to flip this inequality sign. And then it's negative 15. And notice how I'm organizing in 3 rows because there are 3 of these negative x's here. Okay, so negative 3x less than or equal to negative 15. And you can easily see that by dividing, you get negative x is less than or equal to negative 5. And when we flip to make positive x, like that, we also need to flip this guy, so it's greater than or equal to. And that keeps the inequality true. And when you divide by a negative number, you're essentially flipping the entire number line around. And that's why you have to go from less than or equal to greater than or equal to.